All right, Lady C here. Welcome to my channel. In this upcoming episode, I'm going to show you how to create a ChatGPT account. All you have to do is navigate to the website, chat.openai.com, arrive at the welcome screen, choose sign up, and now you got some choices you got to make. You can either enter an email account, continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. The choice is up to you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up using your email account. So simply type in your email and choose continue. The next thing you need to do is enter a secure password. And you will notice here from the instructions, you need to make this at least 8 characters. Once you do that, go ahead and choose continue. All right, you need to go to your email to verify that you're the person that created the account. You're going to locate the email that you get from OpenAI, scroll in the email, and choose verify email address. The system takes you to an area on the screen where you now have to enter your first name, last name, and your date of birth because they want to make sure that you're over 18. Once you've entered all this information, go ahead and choose continue. And the last step is verifying that you have a telephone number. Type in your phone number and then click on send code. Once you get your code, you're going to enter it into the computer. And the next thing you're going to do is just click past all of these information screens. Like this one is talking about how they collect data. Another one is about getting feedback from you. Click on done. And now you're ready to start using ChatGPT.